everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll tell you the story of Tenali and the puzzle of the four doors. One morning in Vijayanagara, the royal palace was buzzing with confusion. Something very odd had happened. The royal jeweler, Keshava, came running to King Krishnadevaraya with panic in his eyes. Maharaj, the diamonds I was polishing in my private chamber last night have vanished. But the room was locked and the guards saw no one enter or exit. The king raised an eyebrow. Vanished? With no sign of entry? A sealed room? No broken locks? Keshava nodded nervously. There were only 4 doors in my chamber, each guarded. None of them saw a thing. Krishnadevaraya turned to his cleverest advisor. Tenali Rama, what do you make of this? Rama smiled calmly and bowed. Your Majesty, if a room with 4 doors and 4 guards still loses its treasure, we must look not just at who entered, but what was let in. He requested to inspect the jeweler's chamber personally. The chamber was as Keshava described, square-shaped with 4 wooden doors on each side. Each door was manned by a guard. The windows were sealed, the roof was too high to climb. The diamond chest was locked, but the diamonds inside were gone. Rama examined the floor tiles, door hinges and walls. He asked a curious question. Did you allow anything unusual into your room yesterday? Keshava replied, just my lunch. My servant brought a food basket in around noon. Rama's eyes sparkled. May I speak to the servant? He asked. Soon a lean man named Ramu was brought in. I only bring food once a day, sir. I drop the basket and leave. Rama asked if he could see the basket. It was a wide bamboo tray with a cloth cover. Harmless looking, or so it seemed. Rama took out a small mirror and examined the tray's base. It was slightly thicker than usual. He gently pulled it apart, and hidden within the bottom was a secret compartment, large enough to hide something small, like diamonds. The servant began sweating. I don't know how that got there. Tenali smiled. Don't worry, I don't think you're the thief. But someone used your basket to carry the diamonds out, without the guards suspecting a thing. He turned to Keshava. Jeweler sir, does anyone help prepare your food or pack it for you? Keshava hesitated. My younger brother, Suresh. He handles the kitchen and helps with the meals. Rama nodded. Bring him in. When Suresh was brought before the court, his eyes darted nervously. The king questioned him, but he denied everything. Tenali Rama simply opened the hidden basket base, and 4 tiny diamonds were still stuck in the lining. A thief clever enough to design a secret tray, but careless enough to leave crumbs, Rama said with a smirk. Truth was clear. Suresh had packed the food daily and slowly stolen diamonds by hiding them in the tray's base. Since the guards checked only people, not objects, he bypassed all 4 doors. The king praised Rama's wit. Once again, you have shown that even 4 guards and 4 doors are no match for sharp thinking. Suresh was punished and the stolen diamonds were recovered. So the moral of the story is that sometimes the greatest secrets hide in plain sights, and the mind is sharper than any lock. And for more stories like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. We'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know what part of the story spoke to you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one with another twist, another tale and another truth. Bye bye, see you very soon.